Hey, woodworking tool enthusiasts! Welcome to DIY Tools and Equipment. Today, we're revealing 15 insane woodworking tools on Amazon you absolutely cannot miss. If you're looking for the best Amazon tools for your workshop, this is it. These Amazon power tools and woodworking tools are game changers that you can order right now. From must-have tools for DIYers to professional-grade power tools, these Amazon finds will blow your mind. Whether you're into woodworking or just building your tool collection, these tools on Amazon deliver incredible value. Let's dive into 15 of the best woodworking tools Amazon has to offer right now. Smooth finishes and precise sanding are essential for professional quality results in woodworking and auto body repair. The S&F Steadfast Orbital Sander delivers powerful, efficient, and dust-free performance with its 350-watt brushless motor and vacuum attachment. Designed with 5-inch and 6-inch backing pads, it's lightweight and low vibration, reducing fatigue during extended use. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort for both right and left-handed users, while the variable speed control provides precision for every task. It's a 3/16-inch random orbit that delivers swirl-free, professional-grade finishes, and the dust hose adapter fits most vacuums for a cleaner workspace. Quiet, powerful, and versatile, it's perfect for woodworking and auto body repair. Achieving smooth, flawless wooden surfaces requires precision and the right tool for the job. The Jorgensen wood planer is a professional hand planer for woodworking, designed for trimming, smoothing, and crafting with accuracy. Built with a ductile iron body for durability and a professional-grade 01 tool steel blade, it delivers efficient cutting and long-lasting performance. The adjustable cutting depth knob allows for quick customization to suit different woodworking needs. Its ergonomic beechwood handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the flat bottom provides stability for precise planing. Ideal for polishing, deburring, and shaping wood, this planer is perfect for craftsmen seeking high-quality, consistent results in every project. Creating precise professional cabinets or shelves requires accuracy and the right guiding tool. The RUITOOL pin jig and hinge jig is a 2-in-1 drilling guide that combines shelf pin and hinge jig functions, making it ideal for complete cabinet DIY projects. Built from durable aluminum alloy, this all-metal shelf pin drilling jig includes 1/4 inch and 5mm hardened steel drill bits, a stop collar, and a self-contained clamping function for quick, stable setup. It drills 7 holes per pass with 37, 50, and 64mm edge distance options for perfect alignment. The hinge jig fits standard 35mm concealed hinges with 3 to 6mm edge spacing, making it perfect for DIY, woodworking, and home improvement precision work. When precision and control matter most in cutting tasks, a reliable and sharp saw makes all the difference. The WADFOW Pro Hand Saw is a 12-inch fine-cut hard-point hand saw built for professional performance in woodworking, trimming, gardening, drywall, and plastic pipe cutting. Featuring a 0.8mm thick high-carbon steel blade with 11 TPI triple ground, induction-hardened teeth, it ensures fast, smooth, and durable cutting. The ergonomic non-slip ABS plus TPE handle reduces fatigue and offers 45-degree and 90-degree angle guides for accurate cuts. Its compact and balanced design delivers efficient push and pull cutting with quick chip removal, making it a versatile, high-quality hand saw ideal for both professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. For smooth, precise edge trimming and woodworking, the right router bit makes all the difference. The NICAVKIT top and bottom router bit is a carbide pattern flush trim bit with a 1/2 inch shank, 2-inch cutting length, and 3/4 inch cutting diameter, designed for veneers, laminates, and shelf edges. Crafted from premium YG6 tungsten carbide blades and a solid hardened steel body with an anti-kickback design, it ensures sharp, clean, and long-lasting cuts. Top-grade ball bearing guides deliver smooth operation, while its universal design fits CNC, table-mounted, and portable routers. Ideal for hardwood, softwood, MDF, plywood, and acrylic, this professional-grade router bit provides accuracy, stability, and efficiency for all trimming and shaping applications. Precise cutting in tight spaces demands a reliable cordless tool. The Ecarke-compatible Jigsaw is a Makita 18-volt brushless cordless jigsaw offering variable speed, LED light, plus or minus 45-degree bevel cutting with 3-position orbital action. Designed for Makita 18-volt battery compatibility, it includes one Ecarke 5 ampere-hour battery and a 3-amp 60-watt dual-function charger. Its adjustable base pedal allows 0, 15, 30, 45-degree bevel cuts, while orbital settings 0 to 2 handle straight, curved, or intricate cuts in wood, plywood, plastics, and soft plates. The brushless motor ensures longevity and efficient performance. Additional features include tool-free blade changes, a safety lock, and a transparent dust shroud for clean, safe, and precise cutting. When working on woodworking or DIY projects, you need a clamp that combines strength, control, and precision for secure holding. The BESSEY EHK trigger clamps deliver a powerful 600 pounds, clamping force with a 12-inch reach and 3.62 5-inch throat depth, ideal for woodworking, carpentry, and home improvement. This 2-in-1 clamp and spreader quickly converts with the push of a button, no tools needed. Its soft touch, non-marring pads protect surfaces while maintaining a firm grip. Built with a cold-drawn steel bar for durability and an ergonomic handle for one-handed operation, the EHK XL12 trigger clamp set provides precise, efficient, and reliable performance for any clamping or spreading task. For any DIY or professional project, having a sturdy, portable work surface is essential for efficiency and convenience. The TurboForce Express folding work table is a lightweight, versatile workbench measuring 33.5 inches wide by 24 inches deep with a 1,000-pound load capacity, perfect for home improvements and professional work sites. Its quick setup and folding design allow it to be ready in under 3 seconds and transported easily at just 23.3 pounds. Built with sturdy metal legs for durability, it features a versatile clamping system with bench dog holes, X-shaped grooves, and measurement markings, supporting trigger clamps for precise and reliable work on any project. Precision, power, and durability are essential when cutting tile or pavers for professional-grade projects. The RIDGID wet tile and paver saw redefines performance with its 12-amp motor, delivering a 24-inch rip capacity, 18-inch diagonal cuts, and a 2 3/4-inch depth of cut. It features a motor head that bevels at 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, along with plunge cutting capability for ultimate versatility. The guard baffle ensures maximum water-to-blade contact with minimal overspray, while the isolation well water tray keeps clean water flowing to the cutting surface. Designed with a heavy-duty aluminum table and micro-cut fence, it's perfect for tile, stone, and paver precision cutting. Accurate and clean hole punching is essential for installing fixtures like water taps in stainless steel sinks. The Wolfcraft Hole cutter set includes 3 35mm cutters designed for punching precise holes in sheet steel and stainless steel up to 1 millimeter thick. Its powerful cutting edges ensure smooth, clean holes without deforming the material. The set is easy to use, providing simple and exact punching for faucets, taps, or other sink fixtures. Ideal for both professional and DIY plumbing projects, this tool makes stainless steel sink installations faster, more accurate, and hassle-free while maintaining a polished and professional finish. Precise and clean wood drilling is essential for professional woodworking and DIY projects. The Wolfcraft Forstner drill bit includes a diameter of 26 mm bit designed for drilling in wood, with and without a depth limit, delivering effortless work and reduced heat generation. It features a self-cutting centering tip for accurate center drilling and stable freehand guiding, while the two sharp main cutting edges ensure fast drilling progress. Made from CV steel and equipped with a 1/4 inch hexagon shank, it allows quick tool changes in bit holders. Ideal for installing cup hinges, cutting knot holes, and depth-limited drilling in softwood, this Forstner bit combines precision, speed, and reliability. Creating flush screw heads is essential for professional woodworking and precision projects. The Wolfcraft Countersink is designed for precise countersinking for flush screws in wood, featuring an adjustable depth stop with fixed setting positions for screws with thread diameters up to a diameter of 10 mm. Equipped with a 1/4 inch hexagon shank, it allows quick tool changes while the 3 cutting edges deliver perfect results efficiently. The high-quality plastic depth stop provides an unobstructed view of the work area and aids in chip removal, and its closed edge ensures even pressure distribution, protecting workpiece surfaces. Ideal for a series of countersinks and professional wood projects. Creating precise and strong wood joints is essential for professional woodworking and DIY projects. The Matework dowel jig is an adjustable width doweling jig for woodworking that accommodates boards from 3/8 inch to 1 3/4 inches thick. It features a biscuit joiner with imperial side scales for accurate centering and a drill guide for straight holes. The kit includes 3 drill bits and 3 stop rings for precise drilling. Made from high-grade anodized aluminum, it ensures durability, wear resistance, and long service life. Ideal for T-joints, L-joints, edge joints, cabinets, tables, chairs, shelves, and DIY projects, this dowel jig simplifies multi-row drilling and professional wood assembly tasks. Accurate measuring and marking are crucial for professional woodworking and cabinet making. The Gohelper square tool is a mini carpenter square with a 0.7 mm mechanical pencil, fixed miter angle pin, and precision 90-degree measuring capability. It allows quick marking and center finding with 1/16 inch spaced holes and offsets of 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch for rapid layout on stock. The tool sets table saws and router guides to 90 and 45 degrees, with additional pinholes for common angles between 22 and 45 degrees, 1/2 degrees, and 67 and 1/2 degrees. Made from solid anodized aluminum alloy, it is rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and durable, featuring laser-etched, highly visible scales that are perfect for furniture, cabinet making, and precision woodworking. Precision crosscuts and angle adjustments are essential for professional woodworking. The HONGDUI miter gauge system features a 36-inch extended fence with a micro-adjustable flip stop, fitting 3/8 by 3/4 inch T-slot tables for saws and router tables. Its patented crown gear lock provides 140 precision angles, ensuring rock-solid stability without slippage. The gauge includes 7 quick lock common angles for instant, reliable setup, and a 19 to 36 inch extendable fence with millimeter or inch scales for accurate crosscuts. Designed for 90% of miter slots, it features horizontal and vertical adjustments to maintain perfect alignment. Ideal for table saws, router tables, and precision woodworking tasks. There you have it, 15 insane woodworking tools on Amazon that you shouldn't miss. These are some of the best Amazon tools to add to your workshop right now. Which of these Amazon power tools will you order first? These woodworking tools and must-have DIY tools are all available for quick shipping. Share your favorite Amazon tool finds in the comment section below. If this helped you find the best woodworking tools Amazon has to offer, please like and subscribe to DIY Tools and Equipment for more tool reviews and power tool coverage on Amazon. The links to everything are in the description below. Thank you for watching.